The Realme 5 and the Realme 5 Pro are the highly anticipated mid-range smartphones to launch in India soon. The event is set for August 20th and the smartphones will be available via Flipkart. Ahead of the launch, Realme has teased that both the smartphones will feature a quad camera setup at the back. Now, in the new teasers, Realme has revealed the camera solution. Based on the tweet shared by Realme, the 5 Pro will come with the 48-megapixel primary camera. It will be a Sony IMX586 sensor, something that we have already seen on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, Oppo Reno, OnePlus 7 series and other smartphones. The camera will be backed by AI with object recognition and scene detection features. The remaining 3 cameras have also been detailed by Flipkart. The secondary sensor will come with an ultra-wide lens, the third sensor will be a super macro lens, whereas the fourth will be a depth sensor for portrait mode. Realme has also shared a tweet with a sample photo. In a teaser tweet, Realme has also revealed that the smartphones will be powered by a Snapdragon SoC. However, the company has not revealed which chipset it will be using. Leaks hint at Snapdragon 665 SoC for the Realme 5 and Snapdragon 712 SoC for the Realme 5 Pro. Both smartphones will run Android 9 Pie OS with ColorOS 6 skin on top. Realme 5 Pro is rumored to offer an AMOLED display, a pop-up selfie camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Realme 5 pricing in India will reportedly start at Rs 8999. This is the same pricing at which its predecessor, the Realme 3, was launched. The Pro model, on the other hand, is expected to be priced under Rs 15,000. The Realme 3 Pro was launched for Rs 13,999 and the Realme 5 Pro could be seen similar pricing. Realme has also teased the 5 Pro to be the first quad camera smartphone in its price segment. Yesterday, EA accidentally leaked Need for Speed Heat for Xbox One and other platforms. While we knew what it was called and managed to uncover some thumbnails from the YouTube trailer, it wasn't clear where the focus of this installment was. Many speculated that it was set in 1980, but the trailer clearly depicts a modern game which is indistinguishable from the past entries like Need for Speed Payback. The trailer doesn't appear to showcase any gameplay. We'll have to wait until the games come 2019 for that, but it does give the sense that year and outlive. Hopefully, the plot will be meaningful this time around because EA has a lot of competition from games like the Forza Horizon 4. Need for Speed has languished when it comes to visuals, frame rate and handling for quite some time now, and it has affected the franchise position in the market as a result. Let's hope Need for Speed Heat reignites that. If you want to pre-order the game, then you can do so through the Microsoft Store. The standard edition comes in at $60, but EA Access members can get it for less. There is also a deluxe edition with a lot of outfits that will probably be sold through the cosmetic microtransactions. Luckily, the aggregate speed cars from the Need for Speed Payback have been removed. However, it's unclear if this means that the game will feature no microtransactions or if they will be limited to cosmetic items. Only time will tell, but we should know more in the upcoming days. Lastly, Xbox One X owners will be happy to know that it runs at 4K resolution on the system.